Just another lovely day in paradise. Boy, do I need a cigarette. Okay, good morning, class. Please turn your books to page 468. Hurry up.
I'm hurrying, Mr. Hook. Oh my god.
Masteroon, what is that?
Nothing, Mr. Hook.
What did I tell you about bringing that food to class?
Oh, that's Purex, Mr. Hook. It's in my eye. Oh, no, it's in my eye.
Give me that.
Oh, my eye. Oh my god.
Get out of my classroom. Get out of my classroom. Go see Plaz.
Always
Go
screwing your
die.
wife anyway.
Yeah, that fixed your wagon pretty nice, Masteroon.
Oh my god.
Go see Plaz. God, kids these days. It's serious.